A fatal car crash in Mumbai's Worli area killed a woman. Fatal. A 45-year-old woman named Kaveri Nakhwa was killed in Mumbai's Worli area after a speeding BMW struck a bike. The woman and her husband were riding the scooter. The BMW car was being driven by Mihir, the 24-year-old son of Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena leader Rajesh Shah. The couple was flung onto the car's bonnet after the BMW hit the scooter from behind. The husband managed to jump off the vehicle's bonnet. However, the woman succumbed to injuries. After the incident, the driver fled from the spot with his car. Mihir Shah is currently absconding, but his father, Rajesh Shah, has been detained by the police. Abhishek Sharma's century helps India post 234 halves against Zimbabwe. India won the toss and chose to bat first. Abhishek Sharma scored a 46-ball century, which included 8 sixes and 7 fours. Ruturaj Gaikwad contributed an unbeaten 77 of 47 balls. Rinku Singh scored 48 not out of 22 balls, including 5 sixes. The total of 234 halves is India's highest against Zimbabwe in T20 is. Disciplinary action initiated against Kolkata top cop and DCP ranked official, preventing victims of post-poll violence from meeting with the governor despite permission, promoting false allegations made by a woman employee, ignoring the conduct rules, setting up a security mechanism without the governor's knowledge or consent, forming a special investigation team to investigate allegations of sexual molestation made against the governor without his knowledge or consent. Rescuers save 50 of about 80 tourists stranded in Goa due to heavy rains. In 2022, at least 40 tourists got stranded near the Dudhsagar waterfall in South Goa after a small bridge on the Mandovi River got washed away due to a sudden rise in the water level following heavy rains. They were rescued by the lifeguards appointed by the state government in 2024. The Indian Coast Guard rescued 24 tourists and 2 crew members from a tourist ferry boat which was caught in rough weather and faced fuel exhaustion near the Momugao harbour in Goa. Bhole Baba's lawyer claims the Hathras stampede was planned. The death toll is at 121 people. Bhole Baba's lawyer, AP Singh, claims the stampede was planned. The lawyer claims 15 to 16 people were involved in the conspiracy. The lawyer also claims that 10 to 12 people sprayed poison, which triggered the stampede. Witnesses have requested anonymity, but have spoken to the lawyer. 9 people have been arrested in connection with this. Shubman Gill takes the blame for India's defeat against Zimbabwe. Shubman Gill took full responsibility for India's shocking loss to Zimbabwe in the first T20I at the Harare Sports Club on Saturday. India was bowled out for 102 in 19.5 overs, losing the match by 13 runs. Gill was the only batter who looked comfortable in the middle. Gill said it was his responsibility to stay there till the end and finish the match, especially after he got his eyes in. He expressed his disappointment in his own performance, especially with getting out and the rest of the match panning out. Gill also said the team could not execute its plans and were a bit under par on the field, despite bowling well to restrict the hosts to 115 for 9. Sunil Gavaskar praises Rohit Sharma's leadership. Gavaskar called Sharma a people's captain, and compared him to legendary cricket players MS Dhoni and Kapil Dev. Sharma became the 3rd Indian captain to win a World Cup trophy after their T20 World Cup 2024 triumph. Sharma is the first player to win the T20 World Cup as both a player and a captain. Sharma will continue to lead India in traditional game formats and was confirmed as India's captain for the ICC Champions Trophy. Sharma's leadership style is iconic and well liked by fans and the entire cricketing community. Meera Rajput wishes Shahid Kapoor a happy 9th anniversary. Meera Rajput celebrated the couple's 9th wedding anniversary by sharing a video offering a glimpse into their life together. The video includes unseen photos from their wedding day, vacation pictures and other moments from their time together. Meera captioned the post, "You are the one heart emoji, happy 9, love of my life at Shahid Kapoor, kiss emoji." Shahid Kapoor and Meera Rajput married in an arranged marriage in 2015 and have 2 children, Misha and Zain. Ishan Kishan speaks about losing the BCCI central contract. Kishan said that he took a break because he was feeling travel fatigue and was not in the right state of mind to play. Despite performing well, Kishan found himself on the bench, which was also a reason for his decision to take a break. Kishan revealed that nobody understood his reasons for taking a break, except for his family and a few close friends. Kishan admitted that the last few months had been depressing for him. Kishan also said that he was not in the right frame of mind to play domestic cricket and that is why he decided to take a break from international cricket. When asked about losing his place in the BCCI central contract, Kishan said that he doesn't want to be sad about anything and will keep giving his best.